Hello guys, bear with me with the wind today, but we're working on a 2005 Chevy Trailblazer. We're doing brake pads, and I hopefully have all the tools and everything required here. We'll find out once we get it all apart, but anyways, I have my lovely assistant with me today, Miss Sarah, and she will be watching mostly and partially helping, and we will see what it takes to get all this done. I'm sure it's not going to be a big deal at all. So we're going to start, of course, by taking off the fancy little brake pad covers. I'm sure that there's a better tool for this, but it's what comes with the vehicle. 6 lug. So probably should put the e-brake on. Alright, we have our jack in place. It's very windy today.
I wonder if anyone can hear you on camera.
We'll find out.
I'm
sure they can hear me a little bit.
Yeah.
Always make sure you got a good jack stand. We already put chucks behind the rear wheel to keep it from rolling around, and put the e-brake on. I figured out why my camera won't record longer than 8 minutes, and it's because I can't record more than a 2 GB file at once. That makes me pause every 8 minutes whenever I think about it. It's all for y'all though, because I could record for 24 minutes if I bumped it down to 480, but I want y'all to have my full experience of 720p HD. The full Clayton experience. This is it. Alive. What you want to be. Alright, well, now that we have the tire off, kind of use it as an extra jack stand too, just in case. Let's see what we're working with here now. I have no clue what that looks like to y'all. Let's see. I'm working here and here. That one's fine. Alright, so this is our caliper. This is the piece we have to take off. I like Mercedes-Benz for the fact that they you don't have to take the caliper actually off to service it. All you have to do is pull out some pins and the pads slide out the top. But I need some bigger tools, so give me just a minute. My rinky-dink little socket set doesn't have the size I need, so I'll be back here in just a second. Well guys, we are back. I think I have the tools that I need here. It kind of fits on there, so we'll try it here. It's some metric stuff, so we'll see what happens. Not the easiest in the world to get off, of course, but something between an 11/16 and a 12/16, and we'll figure it out. Let's see, I have this 5-sided socket that fits on here a little bit better. Anyway, let's cheat. Boy, it's on there tight. I will need a hammer. I'll be right back. maybe just a longer wrench. I can't specifically find a darn hammer, of course. It's just when I need it. It's going to be the only time I require it. So bigger wrench. There we go. If it doesn't come off, just get a bigger wrench. One down. Second one. Got it. Of course I bumped my hand, but thankfully I'm young and my skin doesn't bleed. My father, anytime he works on cars and he just nicks his hand or something, he bleeds like a stuck pig. But one bolt down. And oh, come on. Two bolts down. So now got this handy dandy rubber band here. I can take off my caliper with a little bit of persuasion. Let's see here. Well, there's not really enough to get up in there. The pads are too far gone. This is not my car. This is a friend's that I'm working on. But let's see here. Got to pry this off here a little bit. Alright. Well, those aren't that bad. But not really at all. But anyways, they still have a little bit of life left on them. Let's see here. Give me 1 second to secure this caliper. Stress off there, but so let's see. In order to pop these babies out, there's one. Yeah. Here's number two. There's that. Now, I'm actually going to, well, I'll go ahead and take it out. I need brake pads now. Figure out which ones are which. All new metal stuff. And I've got to compress this rotor down. So let's see here. Or this caliper, not rotor. I brought this handy dandy Irwin Quick Grip. Had this thing for eons. Literally. More for very windy. Okie doke now. Get in there. And you get in here. Okay.
Bye.
Is it enough? Oh, we're so close. This is the weirdest brake pads, man. Weirdest brake pads. Ah, come on. They make this so you want to take it into the dealer. It's spring loaded to fail. I've got to get further in with my linings. My main piston is not all the way in, which means stick another old one back in there. We'll even double up. Won't work like that with that metal tab on there. Now it will. Jesus. This is a buster. This is designed to fuck it up on you. So after a lot of cursing and fiddling, I finally got it put back together. These are the worst brakes I think I've ever done on a car. Out of all of the brakes I've ever done, they're the most troublesome with all those little metal clips and crud to get on there. The rotor's loose. Gotta get that back on there right. Get everything back on here right. My assistant left. She got bored. Okie dokie. Now, socket. Socket! Okie dokie. One down. A lot more to go. Drag everything out. What a pain. Okay.